Hey, you two. So far with our writing, we've been looking at informative texts, and we've done a really good job of beginning to understand the difference between fact and fiction, beginning to understand the difference between facts and opinions. And what we should have learnt by now is that what we really want to be using informative text for is to inform people of factual information. So what we've got here on this screen is an information report about owls. Okay, so I'm going to break it down and go through each section so we can begin to understand what the correct structure of an informative text is. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to read bit by bit, and I'm going to go through and do some highlighting so we can understand a little bit more about the correct structure of an informative text. So firstly, you can see we have this part. It says owls. I'm going to highlight that. Blue. No, that's going to blend in with the screen. Yellow. Owls. That's our title. Okay? Immediately we see that and we know exactly what this informative text is going to be about. It is about owls. Next part says owls are a nocturnal bird that are best known for their large eyes. Owls are a nocturnal bird that are best known for their large eyes. What this is a classification. Okay? And what we use it classification for is it introduces the text to us. Okay, so we have owls are a nocturnal bird. That is classifying exactly what an owl is. It's a bird and it's nocturnal, which means that it sleeps during the day and is awake at night. Okay, so it's a great way to introduce what your informative text is about. I'm going to highlight that one red. There's our classification. And it does say at the end they're best known for their large eyes. It is always good to just to throw in an interesting fact in that classification as well. The next paragraph says, some people think that owls look like they're wearing reading glasses. This can make them seem wise, but owls don't use their large eyes for reading. Okay? This part is what we're going to call our fact one. Okay? And what it's talking about is its appearance. What an appearance is the way that the bird looks. It's telling us about a feature of what the animal looks like, and it's telling us that it has large eyes. So that's first fact is about its appearance. That can be green. The next one says, owls hunt by night for small prey such as mice, frogs, and lizards. Owls grab their prey such as mice, frogs, and lizards with their sharp claws called talons. They have well-developed night vision and use their large eyes for hunting in the dark. Owls also have keen hearing and can hunt by hearing alone if they need to. Okay, so this paragraph is talking about its prey or what the animal eats, what the owl eats and how it gets its food. Okay, so we can see that that is a group of information as well. I'm going to highlight that one. Let's go purple. And then this paragraph, the next one says, because owls are nocturnal, they depend on camouflage to hide them while they sleep during the day. The color of their feathers, as well as the way that owls stand, help them to blend into their surroundings. Okay, so that's kind of talking about its habitat. Okay, it's talking about how it or where it lives, and it's telling me that it likes to camouflage into surroundings. It likes to hang upside down, things like that. And that is another fact. I'll do this one pink. And then at the end it says, so if you need information about hunting, ask an owl. But for anything else, you'd better head to the library and do your own research. And that's just a really good concluding sentence. And I'll do that one black. So that is the correct structure of an information report. It starts with a title. It has a classification. It classifies what animal you're talking about. Then we have 3 different paragraphs filled with lots of different facts and about 3 different topics as well. So we had, in the green here, we had its appearance. In the purple, we had facts about its prey or what the animal eats. And then in the pink, we had a paragraph about how the animal lives. Okay, and that is the correct structure of an information report. What you're going to do now is you're going to go to the next slide, which has a few questions that I'd like you to answer. Okay, so have a look through them. I'm trying to answer in full sentences by typing on the line, just like this. Does that work? There you go, just like that. And then you're going to do your own, or fill out your own scaffold. Okay, you can use the information that was in this information report, Or you can actually look up your own facts about owls. But remember, where it says fact 1, fact 2, and fact 3, they need to be about the same topic. So if you're going to do fact 1 about where the animal lives, its habitat, make sure all your facts are about the habitat. Don't do a fact about the habitat and then about what it eats and then about, I don't know, how it lives, all in fact 1. Okay, it needs to keep that correct structure.